Let's say you just got approved for the Discover It card, but they gave you a super low starting credit limit, which makes it hard to use for everyday purchases without hurting your credit score. Or maybe you've had the It card for a few years with little to no movement in the way of credit limit increases, which makes it impossible to make large purchases with it. Those are two problems you never want to be faced with, so in this video, we'll cover the general rules and strategies around achieving limit increases and the application and approval process. The first thing you should know is you can apply every 31 days for a credit limit increase, so basically once a month, and it will only trigger a soft credit pull, which does not impact your credit score. Discover has been reported to evaluate your account every month to potentially give you an automatic limit increase as well. The minimum starting limit for the Discover It card is $500, and the maximum limit is somewhere north of $20,000, according to self-reporting from a few cardholders. A $20,000 limit sounds amazing, but I know a lot of you would be satisfied with just $10,000. I know I would. So let's discuss a few strategies that have been shown to greatly improve your chances of getting more frequent limit increases. Discover is one of those credit card issuers that like to see high usage on their cards before offering you an increase. Some Discover It cardholders have said that carrying a small balance on the card was the difference maker for getting their credit limit increased. There are a few ways that you can responsibly raise your Discover card usage and carry a balance without being charged interest, overspending, or taking a huge hit to your credit score. So for people who just signed up for the card, you should know that the It card comes with a 15-month 0% APR sign-up promotion. This can really come in handy because it allows you to carry a balance from month to month without ever being charged any interest during that 15-month period. Knowing that, what you could do here is use 50% or more of the It card's available limit, then pay off 40% of that before the billing cycle closing date. Once you do this, only the remaining 10% will be reported to the credit agencies for that month, which is ideal for maintaining a great credit score. After that, wait a few days after the bill due date to pay the rest of your balance. You'd normally be charged interest for doing this, but in this situation, you're covered under the 0% APR promotion that lasts 15 months. So here Discover sees that you're using a significant portion of the card's limit, and the credit agency see low credit card usage when Discover reports your account to them. And Discover sees you as a profitable cardholder since you just carried a balance that same month. So if you're outside of the promotional period for your Discover It card, then you should really try contacting customer service and asking them if you're eligible for any promotions. You might be surprised the answer you receive. I covered this in a video a while ago. Discover has award-winning customer service. They're well known for handing out retention offers like extra cash back or 0% interest for new purchases to their current customers. If you're eligible, you could still try the method I just outlined. If your current monthly spending is much higher than your credit limit, you could try the cycling method, which means you use the It card for your typical spending and max it out, then immediately pay it off multiple times during the same billing cycle, making it abundantly clear to Discover that you need a higher credit limit to meet your everyday spending needs. If you're having a hard time finding ways to organically increase your credit card usage, you could use the PayPal Key method. PayPal Key is a 16-digit virtual card number that can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted. This year, the Discover It card has PayPal as a bonus category from July through September. You could link your Discover card to your PayPal account and use PayPal Key to pay your rent online during that period and earn 5% cash back while also dramatically increasing your spending. Another great way to spend more and utilize a bonus category this year is to buy Amazon gift cards. You can purchase any amount that you want from $5 all the way to $1,500, which is the maximum spending limit for the quarterly bonus with the It card, all while earning 5% back from October through December. You should use whatever method works best for you and continue to apply for limit increases every month since it's just a soft credit pull. One Discover It cardholder actually posted their full history of credit limit increases, and here's what happened. Out of their 7 increase requests, 2 of them were approved just 1 month apart from each other. This is just one of several reports from cardholders and customer service reps saying that it's okay to apply every 31 days and it won't hurt your chances of approval. If you're eligible, you will be approved. And if you're getting value from this video, please hit like and subscribe so you can see more videos just like this one. So let's go over the application itself. This is a remarkably simple application form with just 2 boxes to fill in. First, Discover is asking for your total gross annual income. Your income can include side hustles, investments, government assistance, and if you're over 21 years old, it can even include another person's income that's available to you. In most cases, that will be from a roommate or family member. The higher you can get this number, the better, because this is the largest variable for calculating how large a credit limit you can afford to repay. The next box is your monthly housing payment. Just input your rent or mortgage or the portion that you're responsible for. The lower the better. This is used along with your gross annual income to determine your debt to income ratio. Discover will use this information along with your income to get a clearer picture of how high a credit limit you can afford. So once you click continue, you should receive an instant response on whether or not you were approved. In a few cases, you could get a message saying your request is under review. That's typically a good sign that you'll eventually be approved. Discover just needs to manually review your application in this case. They may just ask you to verbally confirm the information you submitted on the form. So I really hope you get approved, but you shouldn't stop there. Some cardholders are successfully raising the amount of their increase by contacting customer service and asking for a larger limit after they've already been approved for one. It's definitely worth a try, and it seems to work best when the limit increase you were approved for is on the smaller side. You can expect to add at least $500 to your limit increase if they accept your request here. So what if you get denied? 2 very common reasons for denial are low usage on existing line of credit in previous month or insufficient experience with current Discover card credit limit. These both generally mean you haven't put enough spend on your Discover card and they're looking to see more usage on the card before they give you a higher limit. Remember, credit card issuers typically have a limited amount of credit they can extend to their customers, so giving you higher limits that you won't actually use doesn't benefit them. To see more videos about getting massive credit limit increases on other major credit cards, check out this playlist. Thank you for watching, and you have a good one.